Good morning, second graders. Welcome to Phonics Session 5. Today we are going to talk about our controlled vowels. So today, you as second graders will be able to use your ear muscles, so get your ears warmed up. Use your ear muscles to distinguish the sounds between AR, ER, and OR words. Also, we're going to use our eyes and distinguish the spellings in words like car, tiger, and fork. Now, looking at car, tiger, and fork, I also see AR, ER, and OR. So I think we're really going to focus on AR, ER, and OR today. So looking at these pictures and words of car, fork, and tiger, I want you to take a minute and really say those three words and hear the AR, OR, and ER. Try that right now. Good. You should have heard R, fork, and tiger. So R, or, and are all of those sounds. They're very distinct. So if I was to give you a spelling test and I would say spell the word car and R, you wouldn't spell it C-E-R because that would be k-er, right? Because the end of tiger, E-R, makes er. So if you ever hear the word car, you hear that almost like an AR, like that A-ish sound, K-R. So you will know that I have to say R. Just like if I'm reading a word and I see the word char, like Charmander, the AR is a R sound, not an ER. Now looking at these three photos, my picture person is going all over the place. There we go, that's better. What about these three? I have three pictures, and I want you to say what they are. What is this picture? Good, you should have said a star. And if I think star, is it A-R, E-R, or O-R? Let me see. Star. Good. You probably said A-R because it's S-T-A-R for star. Now, our second picture is a flower. I have flow and then what is the sound? Good. It's E-R. F-L-O-W-E-R is flower. And the last one is a worm. Ooh, this one's tricky though. Because sometimes we have accents or we like say things a little differently. So a worm, it's not worm. I sometimes say it as a worm, but that's just me and my accent. And sometimes if I'm talking fast, it sounds like I'm saying worm, but really it's a warm. And it has that O-R. Oh, when you say the word warm or warm, is W-O-R-M, and that is so tricky. So try not to say it like worm, like Miss Clardy, because it's hard for me to even correct what I'm saying. So your homework for tonight is to look at the rascal R sound, and I want you to sort all the A-R, E-R, and O-R words that are in this song. So you're going to make 3 lists. One list of all the A-R words, one list of all the ER words, and one list of all the OR words. So I'm going to quickly read this little rascal song, or the rascal R song, and let me just move my picture out of the way. All right. Snot can become snort, and fat becomes fart. Add the R to turn fat to fart. Gem can become germ, and spot can become sport. Add the R. To turn spot to sport. Cod can become cord and becomes hard. And had becomes hard. Add the R. To turn had to hard. When the R follows the vowel, it turns the vowel sound down. You need to listen carefully when that rascal's around. Little rascal R is always changing our words. So today, make your 3 lists of all the AR, ER, and OR words that are in this Little Rascal R song.